Then there's another one that I want to quickly show you. Now at the moment what we've got is we've got problems with my computer, so I can't upload, so I'm having to rely on mobile uploads, and I've bought loads and loads of little gadgets and you know, stands and stuff, and I've been finding it difficult to actually use the stands. It just tends to fall with the camera. I've got some lace trapped in here somewhere that I want to use. This is a white coloured one that I purchased a very long time ago, and I've been saving this to sew for like a special occasion that I want to wear it to, and that special occasion's not come about. In the previous you may have seen one of my very old videos where I'd stitched this for my mum using some white lace, but what I want to use with mine is I want to use this lace, and also I want to use this on the neckline, and then I want to trim off the dupatta. This is like a prepared V type of lace neckline, and then this I want to apply on the outside, and I want to use this on the hem as well. Now what we'll do with this is I will apply some wonder web onto this and just iron it on into place, and then what I'll do is hand stitch it around the edges because obviously it's beaded and so on. I've got plain white silk salwar to go with this, and also lining, so this is going to be one of my other adventures. Now if you watched my other video, I was showing you the motifs that came from China. I ordered those on the Wish app, and one of them that's arrived today was this one, and I'd shown it on a black background. Now I've got plenty of this fabric, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing two outfits, and I want to do one in the cream, and I want to apply it. So delicate, and the embroidery is so beautifully done. So I don't know who I'm going to make this for. Perhaps for Halima, and try and convince her to try this on and model it for you. There we are. Look how gorgeous that looks. Now that's going to look absolutely amazing when it's sewn and applied on, and just little delicate trim. Perhaps what I'll do is, hold on, I've got what I have. Yes, I have. What I will do is I will trim this off with, there we are, what a match. I will trim that off with this and finish it off, and we are going to get an absolutely gorgeous result with this. Now this is a close-up of that what I was explaining in the previous video. It is amazing. Now if you see my take on the Maria B suits, and you know, compare the kind of embroidery, this embroidery, and the way this is, I mean, that's the back of the motif, and it's absolutely soft and perfect. And these type of fabrics, you can't get these embroidered, they ruin the fabric. So applying this on is going to be like an extra beautiful, you know, garment. So inshallah, like you know, you get these type of necklines that are generally sold in like Asian shops. And now if you make a comparison between that embroidery and this embroidery, there's tons of difference. One, this is lousy. I mean, I had to burn the edges of this out because generally these come on like I don't know, the colors are really nice, and obviously I've paid money, I've purchased these, but when I make this comparison with this new find, you know, it's amazing. And I think this is a waste of money considering what better quality, and really you're paying more for these than you are for this. So that's my viewpoint on it. Anyway, keep on watching. I'm going to try and do little bits, because obviously I have a limitation on what kind of videos I can upload on the mobile. I was lucky actually, the last video was 11 minutes, and in the past I've had problem where you know, it won't upload videos for more than 10 minutes. So under 10 minutes is generally fine. So I'm just gonna have to be careful. Also, I haven't got the editing facilities or anything, and I'm not really all that clever on using gadgets and so on as well. So you're gonna have to bear with me until I get the camera. I have done several videos including the tutorial, and I'll give you a little bit of a closer up of that dress that I made that I was showing in one of the previous videos. And I'll give you a closer up. I suppose it's one of the beauties of this handheld cameras is that you can actually go very close. Right, okay, so that's the motif that I used on this. As you can see, again, this motif is, you know, very delicate. Now, I was explaining that I'd used white thread and there a brown thread, sorry, and you can see the outline of the thread, but it still doesn't look bad. And then the neck, I absolutely love this neckline. I can't wait to share the video on this, but unfortunately, until the computer's fixed, I'm not in a position to upload because camera doesn't have. I've recently purchased a new camera, but unfortunately it was one of those cheap buys, and it's not to my liking, so I'm gonna have to wait until I can get something else organized and sorted. So anyway, that's my neckline and the result of this beautiful dress. Make sure to leave your comments, and if you are using the Wish app, then don't forget to use the code and you will get a discount, and I will also get a small discount. I mean, this company is not paying me anything. I did actually write to them to do reviews for them, but they never got back in touch with me, and I have purchased these. The advantage is that if you use the link and if you purchase anything, then I can use the you know, small discount that I get to purchase more things and hopefully try them out and give you more ideas. So there's added advantage for all of us. Anyway, take care. Anything good, I can't help but share it. So this is definitely a very good, you know, investment for me, and one, I get to create something gorgeous and also to give you some advice on how to buy and how to use along with me. So take care, and I will hopefully see you again soon.